Friends, welcome to our online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Today I discuss about the topic related to class 5, 6 and 7, and today my topic is adjective. First of all, come to its definition. If you come to a simple definition, simply you can say that describing words are called adjectives, or adjectives are the word that describe the noun, or adjectives are the word that tells more about the nouns. But if you come to the definition of class 5 and 6, we have to discuss much more. So we write the definition. What? Adjectives are the words that tells more about the nouns in terms of quality, quantity, number, shape, size, origin, age, etc. First of all, write on the definition. Adjectives are the words that describe the nouns in terms of quality, quantity, number, shape, origin, etc. Just like, for example, just like good boy. In this, good tells us, it tells the quality. Another example is just like some books. In this, some is adjective, it tells the quantity. Another example we can say that just like a round ball. In this, round is an adjective, it tells the shape. Another example just like 6 oranges. In this, 6 is adjective, it tells the number. Another example we can say that just like Indian chocolates. In this, Indian is an adjective, it tells the origin. It tells the origin. In this way, there are many adjectives just like beautiful, big, small, etc. Now comes to it types. Types of adjectives. If you come to these types, there are 6 types of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, and last one is interrogative adjective. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. They are, first one is adjective of quality, another one is adjective of quantity, third one is adjective of number, fourth one is demonstrative adjective, fourth one is possessive adjective, and last one is interrogative adjective. Now comes to it examples. Just like adjective of quality, it deals with the manner, quality. Just like good, intelligent, smart, honest. These are the example of adjective of quality. Now comes to quantity. Just like it tells the amount. Just like some, many, less, a lot of, few, etc. Now comes to number. It deals with the number. Just like 1, 2, original number, first, second, third. Just like 1, 2, first, second, 10th, 100, etc. Now comes to demonstrative. Sorry, it is this. Now comes to demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective just like this, that, these, those. These all are the example of demonstrative adjective. Another one is possessive adjective. Just like it show the possession. Just like mine, your, their, our, his, her, etc. And the last one is interrogative adjective. Just like who, which, what, it is. This is 4 types of adjective. Now comes to degree of adjective. Degree of adjectives. Generally, there are 3 forms of degree of adjective. They are positive form, comparative form, and last one is superlative form. There are 3 forms of degree of adjectives. They are: first one is positive form, in which it comes simply adjective just like big, another beautiful. Second one is comparative form, in which it comes bigger, more beautiful. Third one, it comes superlative form, in which it comes biggest and most beautiful. Now comes to first of all positive form. Positive form of adjective. We use this form of adjective when no comparison is involved. We use positive form of adjective when no comparison is involved. Just like example, just like Ram is a tall boy, in which tall is a positive form of adjective. Another is Sita is a beautiful girl, in which beautiful is positive form. It means in this sentence there is no comparison between any two person, places or things. It is only a single person. Now comes to comparative for. Comparative for. We use this form of adjective when we compare two person, places or things. We use this form of adjective when we compare between two people, places or things, and we have to use the structure. We use the structure, that is comparative plus than, to do comparison. Just like example, for example, just like Ram is taller than Sam. In this sentence, there are two persons. He is also person, and he is also person. It means comparing between two persons, and we have to use the structure comparative plus than to compare these two persons. In this way, we can use comparative form of adjective. Now comes to superlative form. We use this form of adjective to compare more than two people, places or things. Not only two, more than two or 3, 4, 5, etc. We use this form of adjective when we compare between 3 or more than 3 people, places or things, and we have to use the structure. We use the structure. The plus superlative. With the structure the plus superlative to do comparison. Just like example, for example, just like Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. It means in this, Mount Everest is comparing between all the mountains in the world, and here is the structure, the plus superlative. This superlative. In this way, we can use the form of adjectives. Today is this much. In the next class, I will discuss about another topic. Thank you.